following message is transmitted at the request of the Mikesburg Police Department. The Mikesburg Police Department has issued a civil emergency message which is for Robert Sharkson. If you see Robert Sharkson, call 911 for any information. This is an emergency situation. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Repeating, this is an extremely dangerous situation. A civil emergency message means that a civil emergency is happening in the supervisory area or the message area. Alert in the alert area. The warn area is not. The civil danger warning will be coming up in a few 9 minutes. Please stand by for the civil danger warning, but it's not going to come off yet. Repeating, it's not going to go off. A civil emergency message is issued for Robert Sharkson. Sharkson, age is 6. His age is 6. He's always a shark. He doesn't have skin. He has really sharp teeth. One fin lost. One fin broke. And also as well, he was born on January 16, 2014. He is 7 years old. Born in January 24. Beep. 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 That's The following message is transmitting at the request of the Mikesburg Police Department. The Mikesburg Police Department has issued a civil danger warning, now in effect until 4:45 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday, December 13, 2021, at 5:47 at 5:48 on December 12, 2021 has reported Robert Sharkson. If you see Robert Sharkson, call 911 or call the Mikesburg Shark Department at 811-996-44445. Miles east of Junior. 9991-9999. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 604, which is in effect until 11 p.m. Monday. This watch includes the following counties: Plano City, Plainville, Redville, Orangeville, Yellowville, Greenville, Blueville, Purcellville, Plushley, Clinton, and Pacific. Plano City. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for producing tornadoes. 1.6 inches, 3.03-inch hail, and damaging winds up to 105 miles per hour expected with this tornado watch area. Repeating, a tornado watch has been issued until 11 p.m. Monday for the following counties, all Plano City.
charge.
The National Weather Service in the Playmobil City area has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Playmobil City County, southwestern Playmobil County, southwestern Redrock County, southwestern Orangeville County, southwestern Yellowville County, southwestern Greenville County, southwestern Louisville County, southwestern Purcellville County, and Playmobil City, and southwestern Pulaski, Clinton, and Pacific in Playmobil City until 6:15 p.m. Well, it's not 6:15, it's 6:30 p.m. Playmobil Standard Time. We could not rule out tornadoes. Hazard tornadoes and 3-inch hail. Surface radar indicated rotation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued for all Playmobil City, effective until 6:30 p.m. Of course, the 1058 HC towns. The National Weather Service in the Playmobil City area has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for all Playmobil City, including the following areas: Playmobil City, Playmobil, Riverville, Orangeville, Yellowville, Greenville, Blueville, Purcellville, Pulaski, Clinton, and Pacific counties until 6:45 p.m. 6:30 p.m. At 5:55 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles per hour southwestern Playmobil City, 25 miles southwestern Playmobil, northerly northeast at 35 miles per hour, hazard 60 miles. This is the very dangerous storm, hazard 80 miles per hour, wind gust, and 3-inch hail. Surge radar indicated an impacts. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of impacts include Mikesburg Heights, Mikesburg East, Playmobil City East, Mikesburg East, City East, Playmobil East, Playmobil City East, Playmobil City Heights, Playmobil City East, City Heights, and Uglytown Heights. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Playmobil Standard Time for the following counties: Playmobil City, Playmobil City, Playmobil, Redville, Orangeville, Yellowville, Greenville, Blueville, Pulaski, Clinton, and Pacific. Playmobil City. Playmobil Standard Time. Takes forever. No. No! It's the real warning. The following message is transmitting request to the Mikesburg Police Department and the Shark Services. At the request of the Mikesburg Police Department, a nuclear power plant warning has been issued. This is due to reactor number 1. Repeating, this is due to reactor number 1. This is a nuclear power plant warning. Evacuate now. There is no time to shelter and grab your supplies. Shelter now. Shelter now. Repeating, this is a nuclear power plant warning for all the Playable City areas, including the following areas. Playable City, Playable Redville, Orangeville, Yellowville, Greenville, Blueville, Purpleville, Plushley, Clinton, and Pacific, and Uglyville, Ugly City, Kernville, and Sisterville, Monsterville, Donutville, Donut City, Miniville, Minitown, Mini-City, Minisburg. Repeating, this is not a test. This is the nuclear power plant warning. Shelter. 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 Evacuate. 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 Catastrophic danger warning. Robert Ayers fault. The following message is transmitting on the request of the Mikesburg Police Department. The Mikesburg Police Department has issued a catastrophic danger warning for all of Playable City, all of Uglyville, all Donutville, and all Cricketville, effective until further notice. The following message is transmitting on the request of the Mikesburg Police Department. The Mikesburg Police Department has expected Robert Ayers to kill everybody in 75 hours. 75 hours. Repeating, Robert Ayers will be killing people in 75 hours. This is an destructive storm. This is an extremely dangerous, life-threatening, and killing situation. Robert Ayers. But you eat you all. Sorry for trapping your feeling system.